Life expectancy statistics for your basic lower middle class Dick and Jane. Now, almost half of you won't graduate from school. Of the half that does, only a third will go on to college, and only half of that group will graduate. 40% of that group will get a job in their chosen field. So, roughly, let's see, that's about 2 of you that will achieve some sort of financial stability. The rest of you, well, you'll wait on tables, you'll serve our hamburgers, you'll clean, you'll sweep. Mop. 10% of you are expected to spend at least 1 year of your life in prison, and 2% of you will spend the rest of your natural lives there. See, so the only thing to decide is who gets to do what. So which 2 of you will reach some sort of financial stability, which 4 of you will wind up in prison, and which 1 of you will spend the rest of your life there. 2 choices. Stay unconscious and remain a statistic. Or wake up.